Hey everybody, welcome back to Lone Wolf Picker. This is Brett. Just thought I'd open a pack of 2022 Topps Heritage Baseball cards. Let's get into it here. Brandon Belt, Rafael Devers, first inning grand slam in the World Series for Duvall, Tyler Clippard, Logan Gilbert, Charlie Blackmon, DJ Stewart, Tim Anderson, Kevin Sheets, Dustin May, Garrett Cole, Isaiah Kiner Falefa, Jordan Ludlow, Yuli Gurriel, and a flashback to Gaylord Perry facing his brother Jim Perry in a pitching duel, 1973. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a good day. Take care.